Wait, wag ka muna sumagot ah. Hello, sir. I will conducting your final interview. So, this is the first question. What does respect means to you, sir?
Respect like a treatment, ma'am and sir.
Number 2, why do you want to join the army, sir?
I help people and I help to protect the base.
How would you address higher ranks in civilians, sir?
Ma'am and sir.
How many hours can you be active on duty?
5 to 7 hours.
Number 5, can you leave the military base whenever you want, sir?
No, sir, ma'am.
Number 6, are you allowed to shoot, tase, or kill a fellow soldier for fun?
No, sir, ma'am.
Number 7, if a civilian enters the base, what should you do?
Give him a warning and he not listening. I'll give him 10 seconds and if he not out of the base for 10 seconds, I kill him.
Number 8, what does AFK stand for? Can you please explain, sir?
Away from keyboard.
Basically, you are out the or away from your mobile phone like that or the computer. Last question. By joining the army, you must follow orders from your higher ups. Do you agree to this term, sir?
Yes, sir, ma'am.
Congrats, sir. Welcome to the family.
Thank